I found 5 TikTok hacks for the Honda Civic right here, and in this video I'll be testing them out to see if they actually work so you don't have to do it yourself. Now for number 1 we have auto high beams. So I personally think this is going to work, so let's test it out. So most cars have auto high beams, however in this car we will be testing out to see if you can turn that off so that when you're driving the car won't automatically turn them on and blind somebody. So with this feature you're supposed to be able to fully control it on your own without the car's assistance. Let's see if it works. Alright, so we first have to click home, and then we gotta swipe over and click vehicle settings. Once we're in here, all we gotta do is click on lighting setup, and right over here, first feature, we have auto high beam. So when this is off, like I said, the car will not blind anybody because it won't be able to turn the feature on or off. It will only be you doing it. So yeah, it works. Let's go to the next one. So for number 2, we have remote window roll down. All we gotta do is press the unlock button once and then hold it on the second time. And now all of the windows should roll down, including the sunroof. So as you guys saw, this feature does work and it is real. And now let's see if you can close them with the third trick. So for number 3, we have lock windows with key fob. Okay, so all we have to do is click on this button right here to unlock this. And now with the key, we're going to go to the car handle. We're going to lift it up, and as you can see, there's an area where we can insert the key. So let's see if we can put the key in there, twist it, and see if all the windows lock up. All right, so let's put the key in. Twist. Nope. Alright, so this feature did not work. So now let's go to number 4. So for number 4, we have, can we open up the car and the trunk with the key fob only and not the key? So in case of emergency, if your battery dies, this is a feature that we can test out and see if it actually works. Alright, so to do this, I'm going to take my key fob and put it to the side so the car does not detect it. And all we're going to have is the key, and we're going to see if we can get into the car and into the trunk without the key fob. Okay, so step 1, getting into the car. Let's pull this handle up, put the key inside, twist it, take the key out. Alright. Okay, so we made it into the car. And now the harder part is going to be opening the back doors up and the trunk. So let's try to do it right now. Alright, so now just click unlock, and if that doesn't work, simply go to the back seats and unlock the door from the inside. And then when you have access to it, you're going to open it up. Don't mind my soccer balls. And this key is going to come in very handy right now, so keep watching. So when we get into the back, as you can see, there's a little area right over here that looks just like this right there. So we're going to take the key, push it inside, apply pressure to crack it open. And right here there's a string. Yes, there is. You're going to pull that. And now the trunk should be open. So let's see if this actually works. It will be sick if it does. Boink. And it works. Who would have thought you could have done that? But hey, now with the newer technologies and all of the innovations, things are really interesting that you didn't even know exist. And now we have access to the trunk. So yep, this works. So now we can go back to the car and put this back where it was. Boom. Take the keys, don't forget that. And now we can close the door. So if you were wondering, yes, you can unlock the car and the trunk with only your key and your car. But for number 5, it's a very easy one, the last thing we have on the list today. So it is, can you drive your car without your seatbelts in? And can you do something to stop the beeping from the inside of the car, the chimes, so that the car doesn't keep telling you to put your seatbelt on? So they say that all you have to do is take the seatbelt and lock it 20 times. So you're gonna put it in, take it out, and do that 20 times when you get into the car. So let's try it out right now. And it works. Alright guys, so that worked as well. That'll be it for the video. So I hope all of you guys enjoyed this short little video with me showing you guys tricks to see if they actually work or not, and so you don't have to do it yourself. So with that being said, I'm Camille for those of you that don't know me. I post every single day, and if you guys want to keep watching me, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.